Hello everyone, welcome back in the Learning Hub with Samina. So today's lecture is going to be a very basic and simple one क्योंकि हम ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड सीखेंगे जो हम नॉर्मली हर रोज़ यूज़ करते हैं बट समटाइम्स हमें उर्दू से इंग्लिश में उसका मीनिंग पता नहीं होता. So first I will take your test and then I will tell you the meaning of the word. Are you ready? तो comment down करके बताना है कि have you guessed it or not. So first one is this is a dash of biscuit, a pack of biscuit. अगर आपने करेक्ट गेस किया तो कमेंट डाउन ओके. सेकंड वन इज दिस इज अ डैश ऑफ almonds. Almonds is badam. Okay, guess. Sack of almonds. Exactly, you guessed it right. I hope you did. Third one is this is a dash of chocolate or favorite one. Guess? A bar of chocolate. If more, then it will be called bars of chocolate. Next is this is a dash of juice. I am 100% sure you all know it. Yes, carton. Exactly. I knew it. You will know. Good job. And this one, okay, these have two meanings, so either will be correct. This is a dash of milk, jar of milk, or a jug of milk. So exactly, you are right. And this is a dash of what? Bowl of salad. Exactly. You are doing great. This is a dash of fruits. You know it. I know you know it. Basket of fruits full of fruits, right? Now we have clothes are hanging on what urdu mein hum taar bol dete hain but english mein it's string. Clothes are hanging on string, remember that. Now this is a very easy one, we normally use it. This is a dash of crockery bartan ko kehte hain. This is a shelf of crockery, okay? And this is a very common one. This is a dash full of clothes. This is the almirah full of clothes. Almari bol dete hain urdu mein. Almirah and almari are both kind of similar, so remember that. This is a dash. Easy peasy. This is a very easy one. This is a balcony. This is a balcony. Okay, these are called, guess, stairs. You guessed it correctly. These are called stairs. And the next one is this is a door. हैंडल को क्या बोलते हैं? हैंडल नहीं होता, ये डोर नॉब होता है. दिस इज़ अ डोर नॉब, जिसको हम नॉर्मली कह देते हैं कि हैंडल पकड़े हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड नॉब. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड, कार का होता है जिसको हम उर्दू में डिग्गी बोल देते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट डिग्गी, इट्स ट्रंक. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रंक. दिस वन इज़ वेरी ईजी. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड in a shopping mall. This is called a trolley. And I'll be back with part 2. Thank you. Make sure you put your scores down in the comment section.